Polaris and the Goddess Glorian, by Charles B. Stilson. Copyright 1917 by Popular Publications, Inc. Introduction. In the Antarctic wilds far below Ross Sea, Polaris Janus Polaris of the snows was born of a mother he never knew, and grew to manhood years knowing one human face only, that of his father. When that father died, the young man set his face to the north to find the world of men, of which his father and his books had told him, and to deliver to the National Geographic Society in Washington a packet containing scientific data compiled by his explorer sire. Journeying through the silent wastes with his dog team, the son of the snows found Rosimer, an American heiress, who had strayed from an exploring party, and who waited death in the icy wilderness. Hurled southward again in a breakup of the ice floes where they had camped, Polaris and the girl came upon the kingdom of Sardines, a valley girded by volcanic hills which warmed it, and peopled by a lost fragment, some 2,000 strong, of the ancient Greeks. The adventures of the man of the snows and the American maiden Sardines, how they escaped thence, how their love bloomed amid the eternal snows, and how they won at last to America, where the Geographic Society hailed the dead Stephen Jonas as the first man to set foot on the southern pole. All these things have been related. Dean is right, friend of Polaris' father, and a celebrated student of volcanic phenomena, told Polaris that the fires which had warmed Sardines for centuries were passing away from the valley, and that all life in the ancient kingdom must perish. Chartering the United States second-class cruiser Minnetonka, Polaris, Wright, and Captain James Scullen set sail to rescue the Sardinians. Scullen, who loved Rosimer, deserted Jonas and Wright in the wilderness and went back to America to woo the Rosemaid. But Rosimer refused him, and Grey Marcus, Polaris's dog, protected her from Scullen's profaning lips and tore the recreant captain so horribly that the man went mad, and in his madness revealed his inhuman treachery. Again the Minnetonka turned her nose to the mysterious south, and Rosimer went down the bitter seas to find her sweetheart. Meanwhile Polaris and old Zena's Wright found Sardines a waste of snows, its volcanic girdle cold and dead, its people, led by the mad priest of Annalos, gone to their doom through the fiery gateway of the god Hephaestus. Only Minos, the kind, and his bride, the Lady Memine, remained alive, hidden in a cave in the hills. Those four, Polaris, Wright, and the two Sardinians, were picked up by the Minnetonka near the Antarctic Circle as they were making their perilous way northward in a small launch which they had found in the wreck of Captain Scullen's supply ship. In the story which follows will be related the tale which was brought back to America by old Zena's Wright, what befell Polaris and his companions after the Minnetonka turned northward, homeward.